What's up guys, more Medic One here, and today we are going to be replacing the spark plug in a steel 4 mix. However, we are going to do it per the book, so y'all just follow along and I'll show you how that's done. You want to get your scrunch and you just want to loosen the plug, give it a couple loosens. You don't want to use any kind of air tools on spark plugs. So just unscrew the plug by hand. You can put a socket on there if it will help you. Alrighty, we're going to make sure that our new plug is gapped to 28 thousandths. Now this plug is a CMR 6H and it replaces the Bosch, the R10. And what you're going to do, since it is a 10 millimeter thread with a flat base with gasket, it's going to get torqued to about 7 to 8 foot-pounds, which equates to about 95 to 100 inch-pounds. So what you want to do, you want to make sure, and also they say not to use never sees on the threads of the plug. The reasons that I've learned over the years is that it could actually cause a no spark situation. You want to tighten your plug until your torque wrench reads about 100 inch-pounds. And if you pay attention to the angle that this is going to be at, there's 100 right there. 9 times out of 10, if you don't have a torque wrench, and this is just proof that this how far you go, you tighten the plug by hand and give it a quarter turn, and normally that's right on the money.